Hey everyone, welcome back to the Garrison Project part of the channel. You'll have to excuse my voice. I'm starting to lose my voice at the last day or so. I haven't got COVID because you can't really be ill nowadays unless everyone thinks you've got COVID. But I am generally just losing my voice with a sore throat. But anyway, back on point. I haven't done a lot of videos recently on the Garrison because of Christmas and New Year, other than the tools arriving and stuff. But there's obviously a few things happening in the pipeline quite rapidly now. And you'll get more sort of videos coming from us now with updates. But one of the biggest things was something that's just come in, which you just wanted to get a quick video out there so everyone can see what's happening. But off the back of chatting to people over the last couple of weeks in the hub, different meets of bikes and cars coming in, and mentioned obviously what we're trying to do in the Garrison with having projects on the go. The idea was to have a car and a bike project on the go. The guys got overheard me chatting about the project builds, and we are trying to get veterans in, give them something to focus on with a car project. And then they approached me later saying, would we like a motorbike that they've got? Of course, you know, we were happy to take on anything really. They wanted to give it to us. But that was a couple of weeks ago. Forgot a little bit about it. And then a van turned up today and they rolled out this bike, which is, it's surprising actually. I wasn't expecting anything like this. So we wanted to show you obviously straight away what we've got in planned. So I shall flip the camera around. And this is what was delivered. It's a bit of a beast. I'm not as au fait when it comes to motorbikes, other than the guys coming in here and chatting to all the different guys and bikes and stuff. But this is an absolute machine at the moment. So it's obviously some guy was bought as a custom hardtail chopper, sort of 70s era, I think. It's actually, he said it runs. You can see it from there. He said it runs. It needs a few things like electrical doing and stuff. But it's actually an 1127 cc EFE Suzuki GSX. But yeah, he's just had it in storage for that long. He heard about the cause and what we was doing, and he offered to give us the bike really, so that veterans can work on it. And then once we get it all up and running and built, that we sell it off and give the money to obviously Helping Homeless Veterans UK then. So along with the vehicle, car that we're going to be doing, which we are picking a new one up next, I say new car, we are picking up a project next week, which we're quite excited about. So there'll be another video to follow that. But yeah, we'll now have a bike and a car on the go. Both that will get sold off, and obviously the money can go over to the charity, which is absolutely amazing. But just as important, if not more important, it gives veterans something to get on with down here. So whether they're into bikes or cars, they can be part of either project or both. Again, getting them out of the house, giving them something to focus on. It's going to be amazing really. We're blown away by what people are sort of thinking of what we're trying to build at the Garrison itself. So, but yeah, quick walk around it. There's a few areas already, chatted to a few of the lads in today that need to change. But for a starting point, absolutely mental really. Again, as I just said, spoke to a few people, sent a few messages out to guys I know that this is right up their street. A couple of veterans as well, which is quite handy, that friends we've got. And I think we're going to have a meeting in a week and discuss with a few, obviously people that know what they're doing with these, what the plan of action will be. But we are, in my head, and speaking to a couple of people, I think we are going to do a complete strip down on this. Clearly get rid of that whole horrible orange on this, and give it some sort of 70s retro sort of paint job, I reckon. But in short, this is going to be the next project rolling along. Looking forward to this. It's going to be absolutely brilliant, I think. I'm pretty sure we can do something nice with this, and at the same time it'll bring in a nice sale at the end of it for the charity then to put towards getting the guys off the streets, which is what it's all about. So please keep following. If you're not already subscribing, then hit the buttons below. This is the kind of thing that we're looking to do. Like I said, that with along another vehicle that's going to be picked up next week, which will be a video following. So yeah, couldn't be more happier. I'll have to get the guy's details. He's got to come back with a V5 and everything. So obviously we want to give a big thank you out to him, and then start looking to get a few companies or builders alongside us, whether it be sponsoring it or trying to help us out along the way. Because obviously the more we can put into this, the better price it'll fetch at the end of it, really. So there she is. Again, just a short video, but we just had to get this one out really so people can see there is things going on. We need to sort of play catch up on putting our videos out and letting everyone stay tuned with what's going on. There is a lot more taking place quite quickly now, so we'll try and keep you all posted, even if it's just short videos. But yeah, looking forward to seeing this bike build. We've got some good, interesting people that are going to help us along the way with a bit of luck. It's going to be a pretty cool project. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.